How to use WhatsApp web without scanning QR code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use your WhatsApp web without scanning QR code. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right into it. First step, what you need to do is open up your web browser. Any web browser should be fine. And after that, simply search for WhatsApp web. After you search for WhatsApp web, you will find WhatsApp web's website, that is WhatsApp web. Tap on it to open it up. You can directly go to web.whatsapp.com as well. And after it loads up, you should find QR codes and everything else. So you'll find something like this. Now, normally what we do when we have a QR code is open up our WhatsApp app on our phone, tap on the three dots on the top right of the menu, then head over to settings and link the device. So we'll not be doing that. What we'll do is use our phone number to log in. For that, we'll have login with phone number option, which is right below the QR code. Tap on that, and now all you have to do is enter out your number. After you enter out your number, they will send you a verification code, and you can then log in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.